All right, he has connected. Connect the key, Iknoor. Yes, is the value coming up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's coming. What we can do, Iknoor, one more thing we can do is, can you take out this emitter from here and put it near here? I mean, on the left side of the bulb somewhere. Okay, put it here. All right, very good, Iknoor. क्या बात है? Wow. All right. Arav, are we able to do that? Digvijay, Harmandeep.
Yes.
Navaneel, are we able to do Krish?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do hit and tries. Please connect your emitter somewhere else in the series. Connect it somewhere on the left side of the battery, on the right side of the battery, on the, see, Ignore's bulb is also glowing. See. And is the current coming up? Yes, the current is coming up here also. All right, take out the voltmeter now, Ignore from there. Take out the voltmeter. Take out this. See, and when the switch is open, see the zero value is coming on the emitter. See, when he has switched is disconnected. Now, these are the two terminals. Okay, so where you are going to put them, you will put always connect in the parallel to it. So put it across the two ends of a bulb. Take it near to the bulb, two sides, and little bit. Yeah, I mean your emitter should be little thoda sa udhar, but it's okay. Chalo, it's okay. Chalo, put it here. Okay, one more wire you can use. Yes, right. Ignore. Right. Yes. Okay, and another side also put another side. All right. Now switch. Connect the key. No value coming up in the voltage. Not possible. Keep it somewhere down the wires. On that, yes, circle ones. Yes. Here. Yes. Look, the value is coming. And just mark on that values also. Ignore. Just put a tick on the values on the right side. Look on the voltmeter above. There is written values. Just put a tick over that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, labels ke niche. Under the labels, there is values written, right? Yeah. See, the values started coming up, and see how much voltage is given by the battery.
9.
Look on battery cell, 9 volt. And what is your voltmeter calculating? What is your voltmeter calculating?
9.
Yes. So, Ignore, do one thing more. Connect it in series. Voltmeter ko connect it in series. I mean, just do not put it across the bulb side. Put it in somewhere near the wire on one side only. One side of the bulb. Black one also, take it on the other side. This will give 9 voltage only. This is parallel. See, what's the value coming in the voltmeter? What's the value coming in the voltmeter, children?
It's 0, ma'am.
0. That means we are doing some mistake, isn't it? We are doing some mistake. So we can always put our voltmeter in. We can always put our voltmeter in parallel. Then only we will get the answer. Otherwise, we won't get. Ignore, correct it. Put it on the other side. Yes, look. This is coming 0 again. Correct it, ignore. Yes, 9 volt again. See, connected in parallel. No, other side. The yellow one on the other side. Yes, the value is coming 9 volt. See, so you can also do these kind of manipulations and check that whether what ma'am is telling you is right or wrong. right? So this is just a simple circuit which we made virtually here, and we can test so many things, that emitter should be always in series, voltmeter should always be in parallel, we can always check the values as well, right? And many more things. Thank you, Iknoor. You can just stop sharing the screen, and anybody in the class who is not able to make that circuit, I can make that